What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. I am a bit late on uploading a video because I have been focusing on my business, LTLParts. And if you guys haven't been following my Instagram, I'm actually an LLC now. I am actually an OEM Honda parts distributor now, so whatever OEM parts you guys need, you guys can get. But as of right now on my website, I haven't listed anything up yet. I'm still kind of sorting through on like what I want to stock and what I want to not. So if anyone wants to special order something, I can. But for the most part, the site still only has my shifter plates, my sticker, all my used parts. So stay tuned for that. And I do have another big dealer that I'll be working with very soon. I'll probably announce that first on my Instagram. If you guys haven't checked out my website, it's LTLParts.com. And I appreciate all you guys that placed an order for one of the shifter plates for EG, DC, or TSX. I really do appreciate it. And today, well, yesterday, I was fulfilling all of the orders. And today, I'm still continuing on fulfilling all the orders, getting ready to ship out today, bringing it to the post office, drop it all off, and then you guys should be getting it sometime this week or early next week. But before I ship them out, I wanted to make a video on how the plates mount, since I don't really have a instruction manual, or I didn't really make a video describing how it all works. What you guys will be receiving for the TSX shifter plates is 4 nylon spacers, 4 screws. I'm not too sure if the OEM screws work because of, well, my car never came with the OEM screws, but they come with 4 new screws and of course the shifter plate. So this is the TSX one. You guys follow my Instagram. I do update a lot on Instagram. So this is the shifter plate. I made this very thin because one is race car purposes, and two is, you know, this saves or gives that extra clearance. Don't need to make it too thick, and it's super light and super strong. So how this shifter plate mounts is, of course, on your center console. I took off this bezel just to show you guys. And what you want to first do is, of course, pull up your center console, flip it over. These plates, you want to put the 2 bottom side in first, and then these top 2 slots will slide into here. And also, depending on what orientation you want, if you flip-flop it, the weave does go in a different direction, left or right. Let's place it here. So put these 2 in first. Oh, if I can. Oh, there we go. And then push down, just like that. Now, if I hold it in place, you can see that it sits completely flush with the console. And what you want to do is it come with 4 spacers. I'm still working on finalizing all these spacers, so if you guys do receive like this color, they still work. But the long ones go on the back end, and then the shorter ones go up top. And all you want to do is screw these all in with, of course, a screwdriver. This is going to be the hardware that you get. I wanted to make these shifter plates like bolt the OEM way, as in making it thicker, making the base plate, but to me it just kind of made no sense. And also these plates, they do have a bit of, you can flex them quite a bit. Once you have all these 4 screws tightened, flip it over, put in your little bezel that the TSX has. There we go. And now that's what it looks like. So let's bring it to the car. Throw it in, of course, with the hybrid racing shifter. Only the best shifter for this car. And that shifter is by far pretty damn solid. Now I do recommend installing this plate without the top portion of the shifter, but it still does work. What I found out that works the best is put it in 3rd gear, place this thing completely centered all the way down. Make sure to move your iPod cable if you have one. Oh, just like that. Alright. And now you can snap everything into place. Voila. Just like that. Everything's in. It's not gonna go anywhere. Bolt it down. Now it goes into all gears. 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th. Oh, 5th, 6th. And of course, reverse with a lot of extra like clearance. So, yep, that's it. Voila! That is the TSX shifter plate for these cars. EG, I'll make a video on soon. I just have to head over to John's shop and show you guys. But I do have these. These are mounted the same way. So they slide into the two slots. The bottom two, of course, is going to use a nylon spacer and a screw, and that's it. So this is only going to come with 2 spacers and 2 screws. And got a bunch here. Same with how the DC mounts. Going to be the exact same way. I just don't have a car to show you guys. I am currently working on making a different variation of this TSX shifter plate. I'm going to be making one that fits OEM shifters because a lot of you guys have requested it, and also just any other shifter like a CT shifter that has a little bit longer throw. So the only difference is the hole's gonna be bigger. The way it mounts is gonna be exactly the same. Huge thank you to everybody that placed the order. Like I said, Australia, Canada. I'm still working on the Euro R. I do have the Euro R steering console, but I need to find a right-hand drive TSX or an actual Euro R to see how far the throw goes. I might just send it out to someone out in Australia or anyone that owns a Euro R Type R, or anyone that owns a Cord Euro R, and then just do some RD for me. Let me know if it works. If it works, keep it, and then I'll know that it works, and I'll be able to produce it for all you guys out in Australia and Japan. This is for the USA model, and yep, if you guys haven't placed an order, LTLParts.com, and got the carbon horn buttons, horn delete. But yeah, that's it. I'm gonna go and finish packing up all the orders and literally get them all sent out to you guys today. Thank you guys so much for waiting, and this is just a quick, I guess, video. Ready to do some more packing and all this, and stay tuned for what LTLParts has. Like I said, I'm working with other dealers, so I'm gonna be selling parts from other companies, so stay tuned for that. Peace out, guys, all these others, and just keep building.